welcome back to my YouTube channel Kuku TV. Today we are talking about climate change. So let's start the video and let's discuss about climate changes in detail. In the same way, the climate crisis poses an existential threat to humanity. Wildlife too will have to cope with prolonged drought, more frequent wildfires, intensifying heat waves and storms, increased prevalence of infectious diseases, and food shortage. As climate rapidly changes, wildlife will be focused to either shift their historic ranges, adapt to new stressor, or face extinction. The primary driver of climate change, the burning of fossil fuel and unsustainable agricultural production, and therefore primary threat to biodiversity too. The destruction of nature also creates a feedback loop. Healthy wetland and old growth forests, for instance, are reasonable for absorbing nearly 50% of all carbon dioxide from human emission. Their destruction represents a loss of this vital service. Biodiversity and climate crisis are inextricably linked, Smith says. Not only are they often caused by same destructive profit-driven activities, but they thankfully can be addressed with similar solutions, all of which require us to shift our relationship to the natural world. Pollution and toxic chemicals. Pollution is another major driver of declining the biodiversity. According to 2019 IPBES report, 300 to 400 million tons of industrial waste, heavy metals, solvents, toxic sludges, and other waste are dumped annually into world water. Plastic pollution has increased tenfold since 1980, and agricultural runoff, which can include manure, pesticide, and fertilizer, washing into coastal ecosystem, has produced at least 400 dead zones across world ocean. Some widely used agricultural chemicals can wreak havoc on ecosystem. For instance, widespread use of herbicide galactose, commonly known as Roundup, has decimated milkweeds. This in turn has led to dramatic decline in iconic manoj, since it's the only plant on which butterfly lays its eggs. Neonicoids are a neurotoxic insecticide pesticide that kill the insects by ultimately destroying their nerve cells, have also been linked to a dramatic decline in insects, as well as concern for human health. Unlike older conventional insecticides, neonics are designed to be absorbed by plant tissues. In order to make plant itself toxic? Related to all that, you can ask me anything in comment section and must subscribe my YouTube channel Cuckoo TV for more upcoming videos and details.